How to install a 4-pole 250 amp mains isolator switch on an 8-way and onward board. Start by removing the L1, L2, L3 plastic cap. Attach the 250 amp gear tray to the lower 4 pre-drilled holes located at the back of the board. On the 250 amp neutral bar, remove the black plastic cap and pre-installed screw to locate the copper neutral bar. Fix the copper buzz bars to the main switch and slide the buzz bars into L1, L2, L3 and neutral terminals on the buzz bar. Refit the threaded screw to the neutral buzz bar and attach the screws to the L1, L2, L3 buzz bars. Secure the main switch to the gear tray using the 4 screws supplied in the kit. Tighten the main switch screws with a torque wrench. Tighten the buzz bars with a torque wrench. Reattach the black plastic cap and L1, L2, L3 plastic cap. To complete the installation, slide the Illusion shield between the main switch and the plastic cap. Please see our other how-to videos for more information on our Illusion 3-phase range.